Hi, today we're going to look at how to build roadmaps in Kelloo. Roadmaps are a fantastic way to communicate and share your project and product plans with your teams. The timeline roadmap is a great place to start. In the timeline roadmap, all your work, releases, phases and milestones are laid out so you can see when everything is happening. Simply click to add things like new releases, epics, features or work to the roadmap. To change when work is scheduled for, just drag the bar or drag the bar end to extend or shorten the duration of the work. Any work you add to the roadmap will automatically appear in other views, such as the planner, so you only need to enter your data in one place. If you already have work in the planner that you want to show in the roadmap, select Add Existing Work to Roadmap and then just select the work to include. Take a look at Release View if you organize your work into releases. Release View helps you understand when releases are planned for and what features and work are scheduled for each release. Just click to add a release and set when it is due to happen. To move work between releases, edit the work and change the release. If you use epics as part of your planning process, Epic View shows you when your epics are planned to happen. If you've decomposed your epics into features, you can also see which features relate to which epic. Edit a feature and set its parent to create an epic feature hierarchy. Roadmaps are organized into lanes. When you add a new lane, choose which projects and products you want to display in the lane. Then click to edit the lane name. Create new roadmaps for different audiences and purposes. There is no limit to the number of roadmaps you can have. When you create a new roadmap, you can choose how the lanes are organized. If you select Custom Lanes, you create the lanes and choose what is displayed in each lane. Or you can have Kelloo create lanes for you. So for example, if I select to organize my roadmap by organizational goal, Kelloo will create a lane for each organizational goal automatically for me. When you are ready to share your roadmap with other users, use the permissions option to control who can view or edit the roadmap. That's all for today. Happy road mapping.